I carried you, all the ways I cared. Sippy cups and kisses too, plates of food were shared. A blissful life at mother's speed, why would I be alarmed? Thought love was all I'd ever need to keep my kids from harm. First time I laid eyes on you, the moment you were born, the feeling that came over me, a stab of fear so strong. So began the surgeries, the stretching and the strain. Oh, how we loved your quiet smile, your sweet light, pure and brave. Had I known I'd be someone else today, I'd have something else to say. Had I known, had I known, life wouldn't have turned upside down. You could have been here with us now, had I known. If only someone told me of all that could go wrong. It's too easy not to talk about it. The silent virus has been hidden far too long. It's something they call CMV. Most children will be spared. Were they not at liberty to tell, afraid to scare? There's a promise that I made to keep as I let you go. My precious one, I'll sing this song so all the world will know.